Dan Hohlfeld here for Talk is Cheap. And earlier this week on the live show, I was talking about how these hurricanes are man-made. And, you know, if they're not exactly man-made, they're definitely amplifying it. And this is crazy, crazy stuff here. Shout out to Lisa Sheeler, who I had on talking about the targeted individuals. Crazy, crazy stuff here, folks. I want to show a couple clips. But as always, you do your own research. Watch that video I'm going to put in the description below. It's about 30 minutes long. It goes into this really in depth, more than I can even talk about. But I just want to make a quick video here to show you guys, yes, this stuff does exist. So we got weather modification devices here. So we got ground-based weather vapor plants. Now I'm going to show a clip that NASA made a steam thing basically, and then it makes water vapor, makes a cloud, and then it makes it rain. This is crazy, crazy stuff. This is admitted. I'll show you firsthand here coming up. And then you got, they're also using the chemtrails, seeding those clouds with the barium and aluminum oxide. This keeps it intact the way they want. And then they got these Nexrad Dopler. You see these Dopler, they look like big golf balls. These things are going up all over in the name of looking at the weather. Well, they're using these to steer it as well. And they also have high altitude solar steering project, which is a bunch of basically space-based mirrors that they can use to drive these hurricanes as well. Crazy, crazy stuff. You know, we did think that HARP had the stuff to play in this. I'm sure it does, but when you put all these puzzle pieces together like this, and think of how beautiful that is to have these compartmentalized so you can break these sections up so no one really knows what the hell they're doing. It's perfect. But I got Hurricane Harvey right here. Let's take a look at how this storm was coming in. You can see it's, you know, this first development. Okay, it looks like it's going, and then it's gonna peter out. And then you kind of wonder to yourself, okay, that should be it. Developed, it's pretty big there. Comes over, and it's gonna dissipate. Bam, gone. But what do? They ramp up all these rad systems, get the damn thing going again. There it goes again, disappeared again. They're gonna try it again. And what happens? It dissipates again. And these guys won't frickin' quit. So now once it gets up over here, getting close to Houston now, ramp up the systems. Coming in to Texas now. It's a little scattered. And then it's going to start regrouping. And they have these rad systems in the water here too. And they can start getting it to spin. This is crazy, crazy stuff, folks. Comes up the shore there. They got these systems in place here on the shore. They can get this thing spinning, and they can keep it right there, just like Michael. Let's go over to the California. And that's how they could keep the fires prolonged going on over here. You know, if you have these things parked up here, these vapor generators, you can start steering this stuff up and get it to reflect away from California and keep them in the drought. That's pretty insane stuff. Alright, I'm gonna play this clip. We got Jeremy Clarkson. This was on the BBC. So this is basically a cloud generator, and this is NASA, folks. Good old NASA helping the people out, aren't they? Let's watch this clip here.
Don't worry if you can't hear what I'm saying. I couldn't even hear myself. This is the loudest sound you could possibly conceive. And as it turns out, the cleanest. Now, the most amazing thing is that cloud up there, which was generated by the engine, is just a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. It's water vapor. And in about an hour's time, someone in Mississippi is going to get wet watching. It will actually rain. told you. It's raining. That's unbelievable.
There it is, folks, right in your face. Crazy, crazy stuff. I didn't even know this stuff existed until I seen this article, looked at the videos, like, holy cow. So this is, you know, it's like you kind of know that they do have it existed, but to actually see video of it, it's like, okay, now there's proof positive. Okay, these are the Nexrad, these Dopler things, like golf ball things I was talking about. I can put these in the water and they float. Throw them in the ocean. You think they want to measure weather with these things? Hell no. They want to steer this weather. These things are all over out there. Insane. I had to see this stuff for myself. Then of course, real quick here, here's the patents for the solar mirrors. Boom, boom, bring the sunlight in, reflect it down, RF energy, weather element, steer the hurricane. Alright folks, that's all I want to do, give a quick overview. Please go in the description, watch this video. This video was from, I want to give the dude credit because he did a fantastic job. This is aplaintruth.info. I'll have that video in the description below. Please go watch it. Like I said, it's only 30 minutes long. Well worth your time to understand exactly what's going on, because this really changed my thinking. I knew they controlled the weather, but this is planned out. This is insane. Right now at the K2D4 Network store, we have exciting new products available. First, get your morning started right with the new coffee mugs and signature stickers. Check out the amazing new beach towel. Show your support for the broadcast, even while you're at the beach. The signature Talk is Cheap pillow, available in 3 colors: white, black, and the signature orange. Keep it simple with the Talk is Cheap poster, the same background that is used in the show. We also have the new Be the Change tee. Give people the reminder that change begins within. All available right now at the K2D4 Network store. Go to k2d4network.com for more.